To connect your Terabox account to a Telegram bot, first open Telegram and search for the Terabox option or bot by typing Terabox in the search bar. You should see several results, but look specifically for the Terabox downloader bot and click on it. The bot will provide some information about its functionality, allowing you to use their all-purpose downloader. To begin, click Start, which will give you access to various options, including Menu, where you can choose between different functions like Pan or Start. To download Terabox videos, send the Terabox file link to the bot. If you'd like to join related groups, there are options to request membership as well. After providing the video or file link, the bot will respond by sending you the download. That's all there is to it.